Today's recipe is cauliflower gratinated in the oven. Welcome to my channel. I'm Helma and I'm going to share with you simple, tasty and incredible recipes that would impress your friends. I hope you come along with me in this journey. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a very easy recipe. We're going to make cauliflower gratinated in the oven. Very simple and it can be ready in about 30 minutes. So let's go to the step by step.
Take spoons of salt because there's a lot of water in here.
In another dish, you add 2/3 cups of mayonnaise, half a cup of parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, white pepper to taste. Now you mix all together until it's all blend. Half a cup of mozzarella cheese to put it on top. Our cauliflower is ready. We're just gonna remove from the pot. It's very hot and steamy as you see. Now we're just gonna put that sauce that we prepare with the mayonnaise on top. We're going to sprinkle the mozzarella cheese and I add paprika. Put it in the oven at 400 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes until all the cheese melts. Okay, we're going to cut this delicious plate is very hot. It's very crispy, as you can see. The cheese makes all the difference. I love the flavors. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please click the like button, share and comment with your friends. No. Comment and share with your friends so they can also try this recipe. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, hit the subscribe button. Okay? I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.